Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the watch off and removing the band so you have a stable workpiece. Once done, place the watch on an ESD mat and peel away any adhesive around the bezel with a heated hairdryer for 30 to 40 seconds. This softens glue so the front lifts. You should use a thin pick or spudger to separate the glass from the frame, working gradually around the perimeter to avoid cracking the display beneath. Keep screws organized as you go. You now access the internals. Remove shielding screws and lift the bracket to expose the digitizer flex cable. Carefully use a plastic pry tool to release the connector. Metal tools can shear pins, so avoid them. Once disconnected, heat any remaining adhesive and gently peel the old digitizer away from the display. When fitting the replacement, align the glass to the frame using reference marks, press evenly to seat adhesive, and reconnect the flex. Make sure the connector clicks into place before reassembling the shield and screws. You finish by replacing the bezel and all screws, then warm the perimeter briefly to ensure the adhesive seals properly. Press evenly around the edge to bond. Power the watch on and perform touch checks across the whole screen, including multi-touch gestures and edge swipes, because partial contacts reveal connector or pressure issues. If touch is intermittent or dead, make sure the flex cable is fully seated and the bracket is secured. If problems persist, try a verified working digitizer to isolate whether the new part or your connector work is the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.